Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Taha Institute of Science and Engineering. This is the 8th lecture of the Fundamental of Chemistry, in which we are going to cover the topics of relative atomic mass and the atomic mass unit. Relative atomic mass and atomic mass unit. The question is, can we determine the mass of an atom practically? The answer is we cannot determine the mass of an atom practically because the mass of an atom is too small. However, certain instruments enable us to determine the ratio of the atomic masses of various elements to that of carbon 12. This ratio is known as the relative atomic mass of the element. What is the relative atomic mass? It is the average mass of the atoms of that element as compared to the 1/12th the mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. Again, listen please. Relative atomic mass is the average mass of the atoms of that element as compared to the 1/12th the mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. Here the new term is introduced, that is isotope. What is isotope? An element having different mass number but same atomic number. If we see the definition of isotope, then we come to know that it is the atomic number having same elements, that is having same atomic number. It means the proton number is same but they differ in neutron number. We come to know that. Based on carbon 12 standard, based on carbon 12 standard, the mass of an atom of carbon is 12 units and 1/12th of it comes to be 1 unit. So when we compare atomic masses of other elements with atomic mass of carbon 12 atom, they are expressed as relative atomic masses of those elements. Why we call it the relative atomic mass? Because the mass of an atom we have to determine, we have to make comparison between that mass of atom with the carbon 12 atom mass. So it is called relative atomic mass. The unit of relative atomic mass unit is called atomic mass unit, and the unit of relative atomic mass unit is called atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit is 1/12th the mass of one atom of carbon 12. When the atomic mass unit is expressed in grams, it is equal to 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram, and mass of proton, that is equal to 1.0073 AMU. And if we converting the mass of proton from atomic mass unit to grams, then we get 1.672 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. How it is possible? Because 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram, and as we converting the mass unit from atomic mass unit to gram, so we put the value of atomic mass unit here and multiply with the 1.0073, and we get the answer in gram. So in the same way, mass of neutron, that is 1.0087 AMU, and we are going to convert the atomic mass unit into gram. So put the value of atomic mass unit in gram, that is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram, and then multiply them and we have get the answer 1.674 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. And in the same way, mass of an electron, that is equal to 5.486 AMU. And as we are going to convert atomic mass unit into grams, one atomic mass unit, that is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram, and multiply them and got the answer, that is 9.106 into 10 raised to power minus 28 grams. Now the quiz time. You have some questions, you know the answers of all questions here, but you have to just down your answers of these 5 questions. The question number 1 is, how many AMU 1 gram of a substance has? It means 1 gram of a substance we have, and we have to convert into atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit, as we know, is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. And we have to find out the 1 gram. So 1 gram, and here this is 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. By rearranging, we can get the 1 gram, that is 1 AMU. And now it is divided, 1 atomic mass unit is dividing by the 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 24, and we get the answer of that 1 gram is equal to 6.024 into 10 raised to power minus 23 AMU. Next question we have, is atomic mass unit an SI unit of atomic mass? As we know, the SI unit for mass is kilogram, but the question is about the atomic mass unit, so atomic mass unit is a non-SI unit. We have, what is the relationship between atomic number and atomic mass? As we know that atomic number is the number of protons of the nucleus of an atom, so, and the mass number, it is the sum of the atomic number and the neutron number, or the proton, or it is the sum of the proton number and the neutron number. And we have the relationship, mass number is represented as A, that is equal to proton number plus neutron number. And the question is, define relative atomic mass. As we have to, what is the relative atomic mass? Relative atomic mass is the average mass of the atoms of that element as compared to the 1/12 the mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. And what is isotope? We have learned that isotope is an element having a different neutron number but same proton number or the atomic number, but differing mass number because of differing neutron number. So the next we have, why is atomic mass of an atom defined as relative atomic mass? Why? Because the mass of an atom is compared with the 1/12 of the mass of carbon atom. So this is the lecture of the day, and the next lecture we will discuss how to write a chemical formula. So stay with us and keep watching our videos for more knowledge. Kindly like, share our videos, and do not forget to subscribe the channel if you like our work. Please press the bell icon button. May Allah bless you. Thank you.